Renishaw have a strategy of manufacturing the highest quality products that we can achieve. We'd like to give our customers the very best metrology instrumentation that we can develop. And the Zuken design toolset allows us to improve our productivity because they give us the best data environment, the best design environment, and make sure that the data that we are creating is manufacturable.
Manufacturing at Renishaw is one of the three, I suppose, pillars that we feel we've built the business on. So we invest a lot in manufacturing within the company in order that we're in control of the quality, the delivery and the cost of the items we make. We're placing somewhere in the order of 6 million components every month. We're doing around 150 changeovers. We have a lot of different products, something like 400 active assemblies, and we're making them in batches of 10,000.
As somebody who oversees electrical and electronic design, it's fantastic that I've got a tool like CR8000 and you can design your mechanical assembly in the mechanical world, import that into the CR8000 world, and then you can work on it alone, basically. You don't have to keep going backwards and forwards to the mechanical world to check the fit. You can just manipulate in the CR8000 tool, check it fits. You can do all your planning up front.
The Zuken tools for us, I guess we are recipients of what should be, good engineering and good design. So for us, there's a couple of areas that are very important. One is the design for manufacture. So the Zuken tools embody the design rules that represent the process capability both for our suppliers, particularly the bare board manufacturers, and our own in-house equipment. So it's very important that the designs are put together in a way that reflects both areas, both subcontracting, both our suppliers and our own process capability, in order that we can manufacture it right the first time and then every time thereafter. The Zuken tools will give us all of the data that we require for all of the processes in order that we can quickly and efficiently create all of the recipes, all of the programs, and that we can also ensure that we minimize errors.
There's probably 4 elements I would look for in a tool. So quality, speed, functions or features, and support. From a quality point of view, I know the tool is robust. I know it's not going to let me down. I know that the data I get on the outputs when we come to actually manufacture the board, I know is all sound data. Now, from a point of view of speed, I need to be able to input the schematic data quickly. I need to search for parts quickly. I need a library that's easily accessible to me. We have confidence in our solution.